Hey, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of checking all the devices that are currently logged into your Facebook account. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is open your Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Once your Facebook app is open, navigate to your profile menu at the bottom right corner. Now, click on the settings icon, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Under the settings, you'll find the Meta Account Center. Click on it. Within the Account Center, click on Password and Security. Now, click on where you're logged in to see all the devices currently logged into your Facebook account. After that, click on Your Facebook account. Here, you will see a list of devices. If you want to remove a specific device, click on it and then select Log Out. Confirm the action, and that device will be logged out immediately. You can log out all devices at a time by tapping on the Select Devices to log out and then click on the Select All and then click on the Log Out and confirm it by tapping on the Logout. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to check and manage the devices logged into your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.